We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. A message from Mother Nature will be relayed shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of Mother Nature. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global state of emergency has been declared for the entire planet. An asteroid, named Chicxulub, which is 6 to 10 miles wide in diameter, is on a direct collision course with the Earth and it will impact central Pangaea within the next 3 minutes. When the asteroid impacts, giant megatsunamis will form, earth-shattering earthquakes with a scale of 10 on the Richter scale will form, and the sun will be blocked entirely for about 10 years. There is no place to escape from this astronomical event. There is no longer a reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All dinosaurs are advised to follow these instructions, gather your friends and families and await death. It is estimated that 75% of all life on Earth will decrease. If you are a dinosaur of faith, pray to your higher being, or beings. If you can, engage in any activity that comforts you. Quote, Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. This station will now go off the air for the final time. We will see you in the very beginning of 1997 AD.